Morning, guys. It's day 2 in Vegas, our first full day. We're getting ready to go grab some breakfast, something to snack on, and then we're getting ready to have a pool day. It's a little bit overcasty today. It's supposed to burn off. It's still in the hundreds, so it's very hot. We are going to hit the pool down there. We are going to hit the pool all day tomorrow too, and it's supposed to be super sunny and super hot. Yesterday was absolutely insanely hot, so I'm actually looking forward to just a little bit of overcast today, and it's still obviously in the hundreds. So we're gonna go get some breakfast and we'll see you in the pool.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard till you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me. She savage, she wants cash money and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want.
All right, we're getting ready to go to Bally's right now, and she keeps calling it Top Golf, but guys, it's mini golf.
It's a zombie golf.
So we got Tiger Woods right here.
It's me.
Yep, she says she's gonna kick my ass in mini golf.
Oh.
But we actually got a little bit of rain right now, guys. It ended up being a really nice day. Everything looked good in the pool, but it is slightly sprinkling, and that's okay because we're getting ready.
Last like an hour or two, and then go back to hot.
Yeah, and then we're getting ready to go inside anyway, so no big deal. And then we're gonna go back to what, that Vanderpump bar?
Yeah.
And we're gonna go find that Vanderpump bar and some food. But if it's raining, we'll be inside. But tomorrow's supposed to be a super hot and super nice day, so we'll be out at the pool again all day. But we definitely got some sun. She's looking nice and brown. I got a little golden Greek god tan on me. Looking real good. Looking real righteous and real legendary. Tiger Woods. What's you drinking, baby?
Look at their hotel line.
Holy moly.
Got Red Bull right now.
I'm not gonna lie, guys. Week 2 of vacation, I'm already slowing down. I am slowing down. It feels like it's 9 o'clock at night and it's like, what, 3 o'clock in the afternoon?
Yeah.
Slowing down.
What's the real body thing? I think that was like the zombie thing. We're not doing that, but I'm just wondering.
Real bodies.
Right, so we're going down.
All right, going down. I'm taking the elevator, baby.
Elevator.
Whoa.
Escalator.
Don't lean against the wall.
Why, do you break it?
No, the wall doesn't move when you sit.
Those are real bodies exhibit. I don't think that's it, but it's probably down here.
Oh, I see something glowing over there.
Oh yeah, the Twilight Zone right there. It's right there.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Thank goodness for Google Maps, huh?
Oh yeah. All right, let's check it out.
Bowling.
Oh, nice.
Kind of cool.
There it is.
Oh yeah, I roll up to the party with the handle of Bacardi, and I pass it off to all of my friends. Oh yeah, she rolls up to the party in a dress that shows her body, and she's hanging out with all of her friends. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, she wants to play it like that. Look her in the eyes and she's looking right back. Feel the heat rise with the right contact. She's playing with her hair, so I know she likes that. Yeah, I can feel the beat now. All I wanna do is get her out of the crowd, and on the dance floor with the bass so loud, making my move through the room right now. She used to dance, but then she never danced again. Something in her is dead, but now she has a chance again. So dance, baby, dance again. Take my hand, baby, dance again. It's your chance, baby, dance again. Let's just dance, baby, dance again.
Who won?
You, but not by much.
She smoked me a couple
For a
games.
girl, I wasn't that bad.
She smoked me on a couple, I ain't gonna lie. She played me like a fool. But
I can pull with those little balls.
I definitely got her on a handful of games, but she
No
definitely
hole-in-one.
she definitely got me on a couple games fair and square.
Neither one of us got a hole in one.
No hole-in-ones. We got a hole-in-two. Wow, look at that thing. Aston Martin. Woo. That looks pretty cool. Booger yellow.
Nice too. Whatever you want, baby.
I'll get some pizza too. All right, we're gonna go get pizza in New York. Never been to the city of New York before.
Me neither.
She got her new glasses.
That might be dirty.
Woo! It's getting a little toasty out here again.
I might gamble. We'll see.
Oh, we're walking over the strip.
We never went this way last time, baby.
I don't think we've been across this before. All right, we're inside New York right now. It's pretty cool. It's literally designed like a little New York City. Feels great in here too after being in 100-degree weather. There's Hershey's World behind you. All right, we're looking for pizza, guys. Statue of Liberty. That's probably not much smaller than the real Statue of Liberty.
Want to go to Dick's instead?
Yeah, let's do it.
That's right. It's
That's
the
a good
next
idea.
Oliver, the burger place.
We'll figure out a good pizza place tonight. How about
Okay.
that? We'll have to do some searching.
Or what we'll do tomorrow, baby, is when we're done with Mandalay Bay tomorrow, we'll hop in here at the food court here and grab it to go.
Okay. Good idea.
Look, I just remembered that when we're
Oh my
wondering, I wanna
gosh.
Try that. That's gonna be a
Oh
fun
my gosh.
experience.
She obviously didn't get enough of it earlier.
Before we go, let's figure out how to get there.
We're inside Excalibur. It's like a medieval times theme. We're gonna get pizza tomorrow. Gives us some time to find a good pizza place. And we're going to Dick's, last resort.
Pretty crowded. We might have to wait a little bit. This might be the line there.
We're in Dick's Resort. We're sitting at the bar.
Hello, hello.
Avoiding a 30-minute wait.
I know. We might not get happy.
Okay. We just ate at Dick's Last Resort. It was pretty good. They pick on everybody in there. They'll put a hat on you, talking some shit. They're like purposely rude to you. So it's kind of a kick in the pants, but good experience for Vegas if you want to come to there. All right, guys, we're off to Caesar's Palace to go to Vanderpump Bar. She's excited.
Probably the most beautiful casino out of all of them. Probably the most popular, most expensive, I think. Can't get a room under $200. Doesn't beat our $45 Flamingo room. Oh, this is really bad.
Wow. That's one reason not to come to this place. You're gonna be here for 24 hours before you can even get in your room. Look at them. All right, this girl's all excited.
It's gonna look close
She's-
to the same as the other one.
She's so happy. She's waited this whole time, all day, talking about this. Vanderpump's Cocktail Garden.
Like LeBron though, or like Lonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at you, what you see, what you do. Baby, please think it through, drink it up, enjoy the view. MVP, got my crew, Nike on my shoes. Might be sipping booze, slightly feeling loose. If I want it, then I have it. Got an ice wrist, causing damage, just like I planned it. I'll be damn rich. Have a chef in the back, make a sandwich. Oh, she got it all, I just want it all, baby, we could ball, you just gotta.
Looks like we're going outside, but we ain't. Fendi.
Shoes are ugly.
How come we've never been in here?
I don't think we have.
How come?
I don't know. I
This
think we
is
just got
awesome.
tired.
I don't know if they're gonna let me inside Gucci.
No.
They won't let me in there?
You don't have the right attire.
They gonna let me buy a Gucci t-shirt?
No.
It literally feels like we're outside.
It does.
This is rad. Like I literally, if you sat out here, you'd feel like you're sitting outside.
Right, look at this.
Even the air feels good.
Babe, there's Guess down there. I saw Guess.
Oh man. Guess is the cheap shit down here, baby. Guess like the Ross and the TJ Maxx
I don't think we came in here, did we?
of designer.
This is a whole different world in here, honestly. How's that?
All right guys, she's feeling lucky again. We're here at the Wheel of Fortune inside Caesar's Palace. Put it in there, baby. Put it all in there.
No, I'm gonna sit up with
So this is Wheel of Fortune Wild Spin.
I know this might not be the right one.
They're all the same, baby.
We'll try it.
There you go.
That was nothing.
$4. Is that a $4 spin? You're betting $4 a pop?
I'm already down $6. Oh yeah, right. I got it.
All of them do that now. It's weird.
Literally won 20 cents. Probably not gonna play this very long.
If you want to win, you got to be willing to lose, baby.
No. $5.
That's Red Bull.
Oh, I won some.
What's that?
I don't know. I'm gonna spin.
It says spin the wheel. You got to touch it hard. There you go.
Come on. Jackpot bonus?
Oh, of course not, right?
$16.
Oh, the jackpot bonus would have been kind of nice, babe. You should have been hitting like you was hitting in mini golf, babe. It wouldn't have been so hard.
So I won my money back. I won $16.
There you go.
Do I cash out?
Don't look at me. You're gambling, baby.
I'll go down to 40, which is what I started with.
All right.
No, I started with 50.
If you're willing to win it, you got to be willing to lose it. All right, guys, we just finished gambling. Let's see what kind of money we
didn't win.
we got left here. Let's see what kind of, we got one voucher for a whopping 14 cents. Another voucher for a whopping 86 cents. That's a grand total of $1 US American dollar. That's losing value every single day. Every single day. Good job, baby.
Thank you.
All right, that about wraps it up for the night. It's getting kind of late. We might just stay in for the rest of the night. And we're on to day 3 tomorrow. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.
Ooh, like LeBron, though, or like Bonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me.